welcome back to my channel, my Pugalicious life. I hope you all had a Pugalicious day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a DIY light curtain. I'm going to be doing mine for the back of my headboard. You can obviously use yours or put yours wherever you like. Some people like to use as a backdrop for when they do videos for like their YouTube channels. I just want to do it for my bedroom because I think it will look really pretty. Let's just get straight on to what you need, guys, to make this light curtain. So firstly, you need some binder clips. I got these off eBay for $1.99 I think, and you get 40. And it was 48 hours delivery, so I thought that was pretty quick, even though it did take more than 48 hours, I might add. But these are the clips that you need. There you go. Then you also need 2 hooks to hang up your pole. I like the Command brand ones because they're damage-free hanging and they can hold up to the weight of 1.3 kilograms. So I got these from Wilkinson's for £3. There you go, these are the hooks. Then guys, I got 2 voile panels. You can either get them in any different colour, any certain length, like width, height, etc. But I like to go for like the subtly colours. So I've gone for like a cream colour for my bedroom. These are $6.99 from QD. I don't know if you guys can see them. You will need a net rod like pole. You can get tension ones. I prefer the net rod ones because they're quite thin and light and they'll be easy to hook over the hooks. I got this one because it will fit nicely above my headboard. Next, you'll need some fairy lights. So these fairy lights came off eBay and I think they cost me $12.99. So what you need to do first anyway is you need to get the Command damage-free hanging hooks, and you need to get the strips and just follow instructions on the back how to do that. Okay, so once you've done that, guys, you then need to get your net rod. You then need to measure where you want the hooks to go. So I'm going to use my net rod, grab one hook, and then I'm going to stick it up on the wall where I want the hook to go. Okay guys, once you've placed the hooks in the correct positions on your wall, you then need to get your voile panels and put them onto your poles. Once you've put your net on your pole, you then need to attach your curtain fairy lights. So this bit is a little bit more tricky. Firstly, get out your crocodile or your binder clips ready. I'm going to try and go for like the yellow colour because I think it will look a bit more better on my wall. Okay. The fairy lights are the trickiest bit to do because they are like mega tangly. So you need to make sure you position them correctly. But the good thing with these binder clips is that if you don't have the fairy lights positioned evenly along the rod, you can unclip them and then re-clip them again. Okay. Once you have positioned all of your clips and your fairy lights into place, just make sure you fold down the wire so it's not poking over the top, like so. Then you can start unwiring the wire around the fairy lights to let them drop down. Okay, now I've unravelled all the lights. I'm just going to gently pull them out so they're all hanging down. So now all you need to do is hang it up. Okay guys, once you've got your pole up, you turn on the lights and there you go. Your very own light curtain. A little tip that I done, which I forgot to mention earlier, is sometimes with the ends of the poles you can still see the clips. What I done was I had these already, just these two wire felt roses, and I just stuck them on the ends just to cover the clips, and just makes it look a little bit more pretty rather than seeing the plastic clips. So guys, I hope this tutorial was very useful, and I hope I managed to explain how to make the curtain for you guys. If there's anything else you need to know about the curtain or any other little tips, just comment down below. So guys, while Molly is deciding to mess up all the cushions behind me, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I'm going to be bringing out 3 videos every week. They'll be on Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. So the next video will be out this Friday, just a couple of days away guys. And so yeah, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.